Alright, today I'm outside to share with you a cool little hack, if you will. A lot of us run across these break your own geodes here and there. You can easily get them online. They're a lot of fun. If you don't know, hidden inside this rock are a lot of really cool crystals, but we need to break this rock open to get to them. So the hack is, well, first, always need your safety glasses. Gonna use your hammer. But what we're gonna do that a lot of folks don't know is we're gonna put our geode in an old sock, and what we're going to do there is going to contain a lot of that stuff from flying around, and also it's going to keep from losing pieces of our geode when we break it. So let me turn this around and I'll show you really quick, and that will be our break your own geode little hack. Alright, all I'm going to do, put this geode in this rock, shake it down, as I have to go all the way to the bottom, and make shake the camera a little bit. We're going to give it a couple little taps. Alright, I feel it's broken. Let's see what we have. And there you go. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful.